Introducing Liam. So, he is just 4 years old. And she is... Oy! Tala dito lapit. And she is kinda chubby. So you can look at... Liam, paano dito? Paano? He's kinda chubby. I love. Videos na tayo. Nagbe-videos na nga. Yes. Look, meron. He is kinda chubby. And her whole name is Prince Liam Kohabem Malumbay. Ayun, hindi ko lang pinili. Ang cute niya. Sobrang cute niya. Ginaganyan ko ano niya. Yeah. Oh my God. You are so freaking cute. Uy, Titi, you dapat